Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session related to the previous year question discussion and in which we are going to discuss the economic topic questions. Okay, so it is all about to make how easy to crack a prelims. Okay, so the major motive of this session is to how to easily approach the prelims and how to crack the prelims in an easier way. Okay, to find key within the question and how to use it. Okay, so that is the major motive of this session. Okay, just you try the questions. Okay, which of the following steps is most likely to be taken at the time of economic recession? Okay, so economic recession, what is economic recession? Okay, recession is nothing but in a business cycle there is a downfall. Okay, there is no demand in the market, or else there is no major demand towards any product. There is low economic growth in the market. Okay, there is low employment, or else there is a huge unemployment issue, or else there is any major crisis happening. So the market is in the downfall. Okay, so that situation is called as economic recession. So in such a scenario, what the government will try to just inculcate or stimulate the economy. Okay, so it is to revive the economy to work in a healthy manner. What are the things they will do? Okay, that is the question that is all about. Okay, so just try it. Cut in tax rate. Obviously, if you are reducing the tax rate, means that will increases the demand towards certain product. Okay, consider that the car rate is 1 lakh. Okay, and in which the taxes is around 20,000. Okay, in such a scenario there will be certain aversion to buy a car because I have to spend 20,000 as a tax. Why I have to buy a car? Okay, such a thought will be there. Okay, if the government is reducing the taxes to 2,000 rupees means, so obviously that will increases the demand in the market. Okay, so the first phrase of the statement 1 is actually correct. So cut in taxes will help the market to revive. Okay, but the concern is with increased interest rate, which means interest rate is nothing but it is all about borrowing rate. Okay, so if there is an increase in interest rate means there will be reduction in the money supply in the market. Okay, normally the statement what it is speaking is about the interest rate is the RBI is going lending certain money to the banks. Okay, if that interest rate is increased means the bank won't borrow any money from the RBI and they won't lend to the people. Okay, so the lending activities towards the people will be reduced. Okay, so if there is an increase in the interest rate means there will be reduction in the lending of the money by the bank to the people will be reduced. So that is actually not revive the market, that will actually push the market down. Okay, because there is no money in the market means there will be no economic activities in the market. So increasing interest rate is actually it will lead to recession only. Okay, it won't revive the market. So the second phrase of the first statement is wrong. Okay, so by that option A is wrong. Okay, next, increases in the expenditures on the public project. Okay, let it be. Okay, wait for it. Okay, increases in the tax. Okay, so the second phrase of the statement 3 is saying that reduction in the interest rate. Actually, reduction in the interest rate means you can easily get the money. Okay, by that the statement may be right. Okay, but increases in the taxes means this 20,000 is becoming as 40,000. So there won't be any economic activity will happen because there is increased interest rate, sorry, increased tax rate. So again that will push the economy into the recession only. Okay, that won't revive. Okay, so here the first statement is actually wrong. Okay, so A and C is totally wrong. Okay, reduction in the expenditures on the public projects. Okay, so there is a connection between B and D. Okay, if you are spending, if the government is going to spend a lot more money on the expenditures on the public project, means which is nothing but the government is building a infrastructures, like they are building a roads, or they are building a dams, or they are building a bridges, means they actually what they will do is they will do certain economic activities into the economy, which means they are providing employment opportunities certain people. Okay, so the civil engineer, they will get a certain benefit from it. Okay, there will be the labor, they will get certain benefit. Okay, so they will get certain money as a salary. Okay, so that salary will be again get into the market, they will buy certain products. Okay, so such a way they will increases the demand in the market. Okay, so if there is a increases in the public expenditure, means that will result in the expenditures of the people as a salary money. Okay, so they will demand certain product in the market. Okay, so such a way there will be increases in the public expenditure, or there is a there is a certain increase in the demand for a product. Okay, so by such a way they can easily revive the economy from the recession. Okay, so from that, the economy from the recession, they can push into the healthy economy. Okay, so the answer is increase in the public expenditure. Okay, increase in the expenditures on the public projects. So answer is B. Okay, it is again one of the static part question they are usually asked. Okay, so you have to be ready for that also.